Alright, so let's continue our journey of GeoNode. So let's undo this. Okay, I'm not down with this. So basically, if you like go to the rendered view, you can't see that it's just a clay. Okay, you are not actually adding material. You're not even like a shader smooth. Okay, you're not doing all that. So how to do that? If you click here, you can like a shader auto smooth. All that you won't be able to see it because it kind of like adding a modifier. Okay, so it will like listen to the modifier rather than listen to you. So what I'm going to do is to let me just make maybe not make it like overlap, and here I believe I can just make it get up a little bit. Okay, here's our guy. And of course you can like do multiple things, so you can cube and transform. You can shift and D to duplicate things. Okay, you can like duplicate it here and adding a geometry here. You can add tons of things. Right now I'm going to make it like a right side a little bit, okay, and make it down a little bit. Okay, so you kind of serve it as a hand. So duplicate, shift and D, duplicate it here, got one plugin here, and I'm going to make it I don't know, maybe just the x-axis, just to make it here. Okay, so you get some sort of like a guy, like a doing something like this. Right now I'm already in the rendered view, but still no texture. So what about I make it shader smooth? I believe I can like a shader smooth. So basically you can do whatever you want. As long as you can do it here, you can do it in the GeoNode. Okay, and shader smooth, we can like smooth the edges or faces. Okay, no shader smooth, add shader smooth, and get like a smooth edges. Yeah, all that. Let's select the faces for now, and of course you can then add in a texture. Okay. So we have a some sort of a texture node, and I believe it's called that. Okay, sorry about that. I just almost next sneeze. I got some sort of code. I believe it's not called texture. It's called material, something like that. Okay, set material. Yeah. So you can set material by selecting the material. Okay, right now the material is not good. So I'm going to create a new material, and that material will have a name of I don't know, maybe red, something like that. So drastically set the material, or change that to a specific color. Okay, and select the material here, and then we will have a specific material applied to it. Okay, pretty amazing, pretty quick, and pretty convenient. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It's a very short video, and yeah, see you next video. Bye.